Clay McKinney, Developer On-Ramp, Introduction to HTML course. We're going to talk about Superscript and Subscript. Superscript is when you miniaturize a letter and then push it up above the text. Usually you see that when you have footnotes or in formulas, like when something is squared. And then a subscript is when a letter number is miniaturized and goes down below the baseline. So a couple of real quick examples. We'll start a paragraph and we will say H. We will subscript the 2, close sub for H2O for water. And then we will go to the next line and E equals MC, and then we will superscript the 2, soup, to shrink it, raise it above the baseline, close soup, close P, and I'm going to save that, flip to the browser, refresh. There we go. That's a subscript 2 for H2O, and that's a superscript 2 for E equals MC squared. It's real easy to do, soup and sub. All right, thanks.